I literally have no idea what is going on outside right now. Like, hold on just a minute. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this easy beginner's cut crease look using affordable products. If you have something similar to these products, you may use that as well. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my full face of makeup done. We're gonna just do a really quick cut crease. I'm gonna be using the Give It To Me Straight palette from Colourpop. There are 12 shades in here, so you can really use any of them, but we're gonna be using the most neutral shades out of this whole palette. Since I already have my eyelids primed with foundation, we're going to hold off on using primer just yet for the rest of it. So basically all you're gonna be needing is like a little fluffy blending brush, a medium-sized packing brush, a small packing brush, and then these two. So a medium-sized flat brush and a small flat brush. I'm going to start out with my medium-sized packing brush, and I'm just gonna go into this shade right here called Matter of Fact. And we're just gonna create a good base. And we're just gonna put that all over the eyelid. And like I said, this is just gonna be like a super easy cut crease. This isn't gonna be like some crazy shit, you know, like trying to keep it simple for you guys. Looking great. All right, so now that we have that base color put down, we are going to go ahead and take our small fluffy brush, and we are going to go into Downright, this one right here. And we're just gonna like pack that on the lid. And kind of blend that in with the other shadow. All right, so now we're gonna take our blending brush without shadow on it. We're just going to kind of go in circular motions and buff that out a little bit. Like that. Cool. Now we're just going to take that same little fluffy packing brush, and we're just gonna go into something a little bit more darker, and we're gonna go into Frank right here, and we're just gonna deepen that up a little bit towards the crease.
Tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light.
Okay, same thing, take that little blending brush and just kind of blend that out.
What to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light.
Like that.
Just give me
Alright guys, so this is where it gets a little tricky. You're just going to take your smallest flat brush, and you can take concealer, you can take a face base, whatever you want, but we're going to be taking just the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and we're just going to start our cut crease with that. So you take your little flat brush, get some on both sides of the brush, and you're just gonna start by putting it on your eyelid like this, right there. And all you have to do is look up. See that? Now, that's where you start your cut crease. And then it's kind of up to you whether you want to take it all the way over or if you want to blend it or do something crazy. But for today, I'm just going to like blend it out a little bit. That, and then you just take your finger and kind of blend that in a little bit. Okay, so that's how your cut crease is going to start. Now you're just going to take your little bit bigger packing brush and you're gonna go into any shimmery shade. So you can use like a foil shade like this. This is called Ladybird. It's also from Colourpop. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of that on there because I really want my eyes to like pop, you know? And I'm gonna go into the shade right here. It's called Up Front. It's a really pretty champagne color. And I'm gonna put that on both sides of the brush. And I'm just gonna start packing it on the lid like this. Super easy. You just follow that crease all the way up. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. Just give me the green light. She's looking cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this really pretty shimmery Colourpop shade, and I'm just gonna put some of that on there too because I really want it to pop. Woo, 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 woo. There's so much fallout with these foil shades, but it's okay because they're beautiful. Just like that. So you have your cut crease. Now we're gonna just kind of blend it in a little bit. Now you're gonna take your blending brush and you're just going to go into this shade here. It's called Straight Up. You want something still shimmery if you're doing a shimmery cut crease. If you're doing a matte, stick with mattes, get a good transition shade. But if you're doing a shimmer, you want a slightly darker shimmer shade. So we're gonna take that and we're just going to blend it in. Like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and deepen the crease a little bit just because I'm going to put it under my eyes as well. So I'm gonna take my little packing brush and I'm just going to go into, actually, I'm just gonna put it right there. And guys, that is pretty much the cut crease. Now let's finish it off with some eyeliner and mascara and some lashes. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light. Just give me a sign. Just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. If you want me to take over. Yes, auntie. Alright guys, that does it for this easy beginner's cut crease tutorial. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel while you're here, and drop me a comment down below with requests on what you guys want to see. I will see you guys in the next video. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Oh, did you have a good nap? Yes. Oh, okay. Goodbye.